Mount Mulanje is the source of diverse ecosystem services that go to the people around the mountain and beyond. And in the ecosystem services, we are basically focusing on issues like water that is used for irrigation, micro hydropower schemes, the fish farming. These are very important ecosystem services. But we are also talking about the timber and non-timber forest products, which provides some livelihoods to the people around the mountain. We always talk about issues that threaten the resources, that degrade the resources. Illegal logging in form of charcoal burning, timber sawing. We are also talking about governance, looking at the lead farmers who are always helping other farmers out there. Growing of high-value crops where people could generate income. Issues of livestock rearing. We feel if we focus on these areas, we will contribute to food security and increasing the resilience of the people out there. We have, as of now, trained 124 lead farmers who are supporting other farmers in different technologies that are to do with agriculture. We have also supported 40 initial farmers or people with livestock, especially the goats. This is a program where the initial recipients will care for the goats, and as they will reproduce, then they will share the same to other farmers.
Mwamwai naandilako mbuzi 5 ndipo kwa ine ndekha amene nachiona ngati ndi chinthu cha mtengo wapatali chifukwa kumbumba kwathu kuno timasowa ziweto ngati zimenezi ndipo kumbumba kwathu kuno fetereza anali ochepa koma pano patali ndefe mbuzizi manyowa tikhala nawo pafupi ndipo munda mwathu tikamayika tizikamokolo tizichosa zokudya zochuluka chifukwa cha manyowa ndiweza mbuzi.
We have so far supported 3 irrigation sites, of which people now are growing crops out of rain season, which we call winter crop.
Binatu iliyosintha kusiya ndi kale mmene tinalili kale likafika saizo tikakonkola basi zasongonekera timangudikira nthawi ya mvula ndenthe mvula ngati izemba basi zimachita bwino koma kunoko tilodala kwambiri oti kuli zakudya zosiyanasiyana. Kubwera kwa sikimu imeneyi anthu ambiri ena azalaso nthochi, chimanga, chinangwa. Tilibenso nthawi yoti lero tifa tidye chimanga nthawi ya mvula ayi timazala nthawi ina iliyonse. Ndipo kunoko timathirira pachaka katatu kuzala chimanga zimwe kuzifunanso kampiru ka kabichi anthu kumagula. Koma mkwambeje mwino osangala kwambiri chifukwa choti ngakhale kukhale kuli ng'amba timatenga madzi omwe ogwirisa ntchito timata kukolola katatu pasiku pachaka kuti umoyo wathu ukhale pasogolo. Takwanisa kumanga nyumba za malata, takwanisa kugula njinga za moto anthu ena.
The demand from the people on small scale irrigation shows that now the people are realizing the importance of small scale irrigation as far as adapting to climate change shocks.
Poyamba timavutika kwambiri kuno kwa ukada. Timatenga makenyi ndikumathirira zimbewu zathu. Koma traffic anatithandiza solar pump. Soja kuti zimene zijaza matseni mikone matalika nkhani ya maujeni mautakeni.
Kubwera kwa solar pump wathandiza mabanja athu ambirimbiri. Chifukwa choti mabanja athu poyamba tonse tikayang'ana kuphiri kuja kumakaononga chilengedwe. Koma chifukwa cha kubwera kwa solar pump wapangisa kunena kuti ifeyo tikutanganidwa ndi kumunda. Chifukwa mazi wakangota Afrika ndiye kuti wina aliyense azakhala otani osidalira pakhomo pake, angakhale ana ku sukulu azatha kuphunzira mwabwino mopanda chovuta china chilichonse.
On forest management, we are basically focusing on forest co-management, that is totally governance and protection of the existing forest resources that are there, and again, promoting restoration of the forest resources where they are degraded. 43 village natural resource management committees that are focusing on restoration and even protection of the forest resources within their villages and close to them in the protected areas. And through this process, we have 2 forest block committees. And again, we have signed with the government through the forest department 2 co-management agreements. This is a formal action that the people take with the government through forest department as a way of allowing the communities to participate in the management of the protected areas that are close to them. We have also trained 43 community policing. To date, we can say we have managed to bring or build the trust that was not there before between the community and the forest department as far as working together is concerned. A good example of this impact is that now the community and the forest department staff can work together and have what we call the joint patrols in the forest reserve. Because of this, we have also seen a resurgence of regenerants, the coming out of the regenerants, especially in areas where there was forest degradation in the Miombo areas. Because people are going out there frequently doing the patrols, seeing who is doing what. This will become a good forest maybe in 5 years, 6, 7 years to come. And the third part, where we are talking about knowledge management, we are focusing on bringing the research, the investigation skills to the people in the villages so that they should understand why things are happening in the way they do. For instance, we have trained what we are calling citizen scientists in water testing. That is what we call water watch. But we have also trained the communities in testing the soils. So when we test the nutrients in the waters and even the turbidity of the water, it will tell us how much nutrients are being eroded out there, how much soil is being lost out there. If these things are well understood by the community out there, they can easily take decisions on what needs to be done. We have trained again 215 citizen scientists who are on a monthly basis doing the testing of the water to check what is happening to their area as far as land management or land use is concerned. Mwana Mulanje wakana utonongera chirengedwe utonongera nkalango utisakazira zinyama utonongera masi. I think we should continue to focus on contributing to food security, especially in the areas of small-scale irrigation. That will also help a lot of people out there to become so resilient. We also think food for work or cash for work programs that tend to bridge certain gaps, either in the economic security or food security of the people, would also be a very good way to proceed. So these are just small, short period actions that could bridge such shortages. Forest management and governance issues are also very important because this process empowers the people, and that is the most important thing when it comes to forest management and protection and restoration. So if the people are empowered, then they'll begin to do the right things within their own context. So these are the three things which I think if the project will continue, then we will focus on those things.
Kalango ya pirira Mulanje, abale samare kalango ya pirira Mulanje.